I Could by Jack Johnson is played in standard tuning with no capo. So the main riff's going to start on the 5th fret of the low E string with the 2nd finger, and then the 4th fret and the A string with the 1st finger. So we're going to play E at the 5th, A at the 4th, E at the 5th, A at the 4th, and then we're going to slide up to 7. Then we'll hit the 7 again, open E, open A. The second part of the riff is 2 on the E, 4 on the A, so E, A, E, A, and then we're going to slide from 4 all the way up to 9 on the A. Then we'll go up 7 on the D, back to 9 on the A, open D. Put them two together. The second time through starts off the same way. The first riff's exactly the same. The second riff starts off the same. 2, 4, 2, 4, slide into 9. Then we're going to hit 9 again. 7 on the low E, open A. So the first time through, played slowly, sounds like this. Second time through slowly sounds like this. And back to back. More up to speed. So there's a linking section which is actually only one bar that takes us into the chorus riff. So we've got the second finger on the 7th fret of the A and the first finger on the 6th fret of the D string. We're going to pick E, A, E, D. Then A, E, open D. And then we're into the chorus riff. So the first chorus and the second chorus have a very similar riff, but they are slightly different. For the first chorus, we're going to hit the open A, sliding up 4 to 6 on the G, and grabbing the 7th fret there on the D. Grabbing the 5th fret on the A, back to 7 on the D, and back to 5 on the A. So then the 7's going to slide down to 4 on the D there. Then we'll play 2 on the A, 4 on the D, repeating, so sliding that 4 up to 6 the second time through. We'll grab 4 on the G, back to 6 on the D, open D. Okay, so far. So the second time through, this riff is pretty much the same. In fact, the first bar is exactly the same, so that sliding up 4 to 6. And when we go down to 2, 4, 2, 4, that's the same with the slide to 6, and we do change at this point here. We hit the 6 again, then 7 on the A, open A. Okay, so the second riff there. And the two riffs back to back. As I mentioned before, the second chorus is different to the first chorus. It's actually just played backwards, so we play the second riff first and the first riff second. So we start off exactly the same. And at this point we play the second riff from the first chorus, so 6, 7 on the A, open. And then we play the first riff from the first chorus. The whole second chorus. We finish on a little A chord, open A, 7th fret on the D, 6th fret on the G. For more Jack Johnson tutorials, please check out this link here. Good luck with this one, happy practicing, and take care.